Hello, I'm Mace Haraf, and welcome to the Medical Sales Channel. Medical sales representatives are busy. You're busy. And you're busy because you're working hard to grow the business in your territory. That's why you do what you do, right? Now, I talk to so many medical sales reps who are working their tails off, and at the end of the quarter, they're shocked to post only a modest sales increase, or they find they've just traded one customer for another. In other words, they're working hard just to stay where they are. This is common, and it's fixable, and it's what I'm going to talk to you about today. Medical reps face a multitude of challenges every day, but from my experience training thousands of reps, there are 4 common challenges that keep people who sell to healthcare professionals and institutions from reaching their next level of success. And if you don't address the specific dominant challenge you're facing, your progress will be painfully slow or nil. Here are the 4 challenges. One challenge is when reps are new or relatively new in the territory. Keep in mind, this new phase, from your customer's perspective, can last from 1 to 3 years. Now, you might be thinking, well, I'm established. I've been in the territory a year. But in your customers' minds, you're not. It takes time to build trust and establish yourself as someone who is credible and dependable. Let's talk about the second challenge. The next challenge is when you are the established rep. Your customers know you. You have a solid or fairly solid base of business, but your territory growth has plateaued and you're struggling to scale it to the next level. The next common challenge is when you're in a situation where customers treat all or almost all of your products and services as commodities. I hate to say that word. This is when they only want to know one thing. What's your price? And then they choose based on the lowest price. If you feel like you're in a constant price war, this may be your big challenge. The last challenge that more and more medical reps face is gaining access to customers who have neither the time nor the inclination to meet with sales representatives. Look, you might sell a great product or service, but if you can't get to your customers, nothing happens. Most reps call this problem getting past gatekeepers. Probably heard of it. I'm going to help you address your specific problem. I'm going to try something different. Instead of just blasting you with a lot of information, some that might apply to you and some that probably won't, I'm going to ask you to take a minute and share with me your biggest challenge in medical sales by clicking a link in the upper right part of this video screen. You'll be taken to a page where you can tell me your biggest challenge. Once you do that, I'll share with you the number one thing you should do next, customized specifically for your situation to overcome that challenge. I'll also provide you with a free copy of my 11-page special report, 7 Things That Medical Reps Do to Kill Sales and How to Avoid Them. This report, along with the one thing to do next, could be what enables you to break away from the pack and score some huge sales in the days, months, and years to come. Just click on the button, tell me your biggest challenge, and I'll tell you what you should do right now. Or you can also go to medicalsalestraining.com/situation to share your situation with me. Click on the link, and I'll see you in just a couple of minutes.